Welcome to another how-to video with the Career Connection Center. Today I'm going to show you how to find on-campus jobs, including work study. To go and ahead and get started, you will want to go to careerconnections.twu.edu. This will take you to our departmental webpage. If you go onto the right side of the screen, in the top, you'll see a button that has a yellow symbol and says TWU Connect/Handshake. When you click on that button, you will be taken to our Handshake platform. Now, if you have never activated your Handshake account, you will need to go ahead and do that before going through with these next steps. Once you get your profile up and running, you will be taken to the home page where you can go ahead and navigate the platform. There are a couple ways to get to the job database. If you look near the top in the middle of your screen, there will be a button labeled Jobs. Alternatively, there are banners across the screen, in the middle, and in the very first one on the left is labeled Jobs. You can click on either to be taken to the postings. Now, when you click on that button, it'll show all of the jobs that we have posted both on and off campus. To filter specifically for on campus, look near the top of the screen and you'll see a search bar next to a whole bunch of filter labels. If you click on the filter labeled on campus, it will pull only those postings. Another way is typing TWU into the search bar. Sometimes departments will accidentally forget to check off on-campus jobs when they post their jobs to Handshake, and searching TWU will catch anything that previous filters may have missed. In order to find on-campus jobs that are for work study, you will have to click on All Filters on the right side of your screen. Click on campus, and then right underneath those job types, you'll see a checkbox labeled Work Study. Just go ahead and click on that, and then click on Show Result. These results show jobs at TWU that have indicated work study status in their job description. Departments usually restrict jobs to work study if they only hire work study students. So if you're not work study but are interested in the position, you should contact the department directly and ask for verification. You can apply virtually to any job on campus as a student assistant and use your work study award. You will have to apply and interview like everybody else. So when you click on a job that you're interested in, it will tell you a little bit about the job, such as the deadline, when they posted the job, and an estimated salary. It will also give you a short description, qualifications, and information on the department. Make sure to read the description and qualifications to make sure you're eligible to apply for this job, as well as making sure your resume is up to date with relevant skills. If you need help with this, please don't hesitate to set an appointment with your consultant so that we can help you polish your resume and interviewing skills. Now moving on to knowing if you're work study eligible and knowing how it works. If you elected to be considered for work study on your FAFSA, you may have received a financial aid award notification that indicates you're eligible for work study, which is a federal and state need-based award. Payment of work study is based on actual hours worked at a work study eligible job. Your wages for hours worked during the semester cannot exceed the award amount. Some departments only hire work study students, therefore, some positions will indicate work study award requirement. Other departments may prefer work study students for budgetary reasons, but will consider a non-work study student as well. Most, if not all, departments can hire work study students, so even if a job is not indicated as work study on campus, you can still apply to the position and your work study award can be used for it. If you have concerns about a department accepting your work study award, please contact them directly. Trust us, the department will appreciate that good news. If you have any questions about financial aid, work study eligibility, or awards, please direct them to the TWU Financial Aid Office at finaid@twu.edu or call them at 940-898-3064. The Career Connection Center does not review, assess, or manage anything related to student financial aid awards. There is also off-campus work study, but it is assessed on a case-by-case basis. If you are interested in applying to a job off campus that meets federal eligibility for accepting work study, then the employer and job position must be posted within Handshake, and the employer organization must meet with a representative of the financial aid office to execute an off-campus work study agreement, indicating pay award, reimbursement, scope of employment, etc. For questions about getting an employer or job posted within Handshake, contact the Career Connection Center. For questions about discussing off-campus agreements, once again, contact the TWU Financial Aid Office. I also want to mention that not every department posts their jobs on Handshake. So if you're a grad student looking for a position on campus within your department, you may want to check with your department first because they may not be posting them on Handshake. This may mean emailing the secretary of your department or going to a trusted professor that could possibly have information for you as well. If you have any questions or if you're struggling navigating the on-campus jobs, please contact the Career Connection Center at 940-898-2950 or at careers@twu.edu, or just schedule an appointment with your consultant. We wish you luck on finding an on-campus job.